Buying a reliable car under $3,000 sounds impossible, right? But it's not, if you know what to look for. In this guide, we're revealing 7 expert tips that can help you land a dependable car without draining your wallet. And yes, we've even included 3 proven models to keep your search simple. Start with the bodywork. Surface rust might look harmless, but structural rust on the frame or undercarriage can be dangerous and expensive. Inspect under wheel wells, door sills, and especially the suspension mounting points. Bring a flashlight, you'll need it. A car's service records are like its medical history. If there's no paperwork, walk away. Look for regular oil changes, timing belt replacements, and transmission service. A well-documented car is usually a well-loved car. Seriously, take a deep breath when you sit inside. Musty or mildew smells often mean past water damage, especially after floods. Bad odors might indicate deeper issues like mold in the AC system or leaks in the cabin. Turn the key without starting the engine. Every warning light should flash. If any light doesn't come on, or worse, stays on after starting, that's a red flag. Especially watch for the check engine, ABS, and airbag indicators. On your test drive, pay attention to vibrations, brake feel, alignment, and odd engine noises. Accelerate, coast, and brake hard. See how the car behaves under stress. If it pulls, shakes, or makes knocking sounds, it's not a good sign. Use free tools like NICB's VIN Check or paid ones like Carfax or AutoCheck to see if the car's been in any accidents, had its odometer rolled back, or was totaled. Don't gamble. Verify. $3,000 is a tight budget, but private sellers are often open to offers. Use small issues like old tires, cracked lights, or scratches as leverage. Always stay polite but firm. Sometimes cash in hand speaks louder than words. Here are 3 cars under $3,000 we actually trust. Honda Civic, 2003 to 2007. Reliable, cheap parts, easy to fix. Toyota Corolla, 2000 to 2006. Bulletproof engines and low ownership costs. Ford Focus, 2008 to 2011. Underrated, good handling, and parts are everywhere. A low price doesn't have to mean low quality. Follow these tips and you can find a rock-solid ride for under $3,000. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more buyer's guides, budget builds, and smart car tips coming your way.